G'day and welcome. My name is Nat. I'm from diydata.wordpress.com and we're going to show you these guys, which are boom pole quick release connectors for your, as I said, boom poles, audio rigs. Don't even need to be just audio rigs, it can be anything really. So these are relatively cheap. You can get them on the usual suspects like eBay, AliExpress, all those places. I think I bought these from AliExpress. They're basically the equivalent of your, I can't remember the brands of them, but there's pro brands that sell these kind of things, but for basically this setup, you'd be looking at several, like $100 or more. It's almost several $100 for a setup. What they allow you to remove your microphone from your boom pole or wherever you have it set up quite quickly and easily. As you can see, you literally just sit it in, it'll kind of sit there, twist, and then it'll lock into place, which is pretty neat. And then you can just, in my case, just spin it around the boom pole and then good to go. It's not limited to just your boom pole. You could set it up on desktop stands. The kits come with, depending on which one you buy, you can buy a kit that just has the quick release and the two halves of it, basically is what I'm trying to say. You get the pieces with the two halves, so they're just like one of these and one of those. Or you can get a more complete kit that has the two halves, a little aluminium bracket that allows you to hook the microphone up like this, and then also they'll often come up with a 1/4 version of the threaded spigot end anyway, and that allows you to put other things. You could put a GoPro or anything like a camera with a 1/4 tripod connector on it if you wanted to. So yeah, basically that's what we got. So I'll get rid of that XLR cable for a sec. Here you can see, you literally just twist that and it'll start coming out, and then you pop it out, and then you can switch microphones. There all it is. So, and then put it back in, twist. It's a bit awkward because I'm doing this horizontally, but there you go. Microphone changed. XLR connector clicked back into place, swapped out, and then you're ready to do some in-room dialogue. Need to go back outside again. You can just swap that one over, swap this one over, connect your XLR cable, and you're good to go outside or wherever you want to go. Yeah, as I said, I don't think I have any GoPros or anything, but what I do have nearby is a really crappy, not working, broken point and shoot camera. So if we wanted to, let's go up on this camera, you'd probably be better off if you're using a GoPro or action camera of any description, or any camera of any description, to put a ball head so you can kind of adjust the way it's pointing. You can, and also because it's got quite a long thread, so that's not ideal for mounting on a camera. You probably want one with like the locking kind of plate on it. There you go. You can see you can put a tripod on here. I don't think I have any ball heads that I can put on here in here, but there you go. Camera on a boom pole. And then if you've got a small camera, as I said, if you had it on a boom pole, you can then use your boom pole as a crane or something, which is pretty snifty. Or we can go back to your mics. And that's that. So yeah, as I was saying, there are several kits you can get. You can buy these things, the little spigots, separately. You buy these guys by themselves. They'll cost you like, probably American, it'd be like $15 or something. It's about 20 or so. Yeah, somewhere around $15-20 if you're buying these by themselves. The whole kits are like between $30 and $50 for the setups, but they're brilliant little kits. They make things so much easier for even just for setting up in the morning and packing down in the afternoon. It's always a pain when you have to like thread your shock mounts on. I mean, it doesn't take long, but it all takes time. And I don't know, if you're shooting films like I am, you just want to get up and get running as quickly as you can. I am hoping that dog doesn't come too much into this, but there's a good chance you will hear her barking outside. But yeah, I'm trying to work out what else to kind of talk about these. Don't know, I might stop this one here then and go back inside. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found these interesting, and I'm gonna check yous later. DIYdata.wordpress.com